Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of home aquariums with the Tetra 3-gallon fish tank, a perfect starter kit for your aquatic friends. This cube-shaped aquarium is ideal for betta fish, goldfish, guppies, or small tropical fish, offering a compact yet stylish home for your pets. Equipped with an air pump-driven Tetra Whisper power filter, it ensures a clean and healthy environment, while the LED lights beautifully highlight your fish, creating a stunning visual display. The tank features a sleek pedestal base, adding a touch of elegance to any room, and the clear canopy includes a convenient feeding hole, making it easy to care for your fish. Measuring 10 inches deep by 10 inches wide and just over 10 inches tall, this aquarium fits comfortably in small spaces, making it perfect for any home or office. The Tetra 3i filter works tirelessly to maintain water quality, ensuring your fish thrive in their new habitat. So, whether you're a seasoned aquarist or just starting out, this aquarium kit offers everything you need to create a beautiful and healthy environment for your fish. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.